One of the things that I love about Rackspace's goal in going open source is the idea of creating an ubiquitous cloud. So a cloud that everybody can use, that's open source. And I think that that is a goal that's going to shape the future of where the internet and where cloud is going.
We firmly believe that OpenStack is the next huge IT wave, and it's going to actually be the fundamental building block for cloud implementations all over the world. So it's the idea of letting 1,000 clouds bloom. And we're really excited to join Rackspace and be part of that mission.
Rackspace Cloud Builders is a new business we're launching to help other businesses deploy OpenStack. Before you bet your company on a platform, especially an open source platform, you really want to be able to have resources that you can call, you can go to and get help on if you get stuck.
With the Anso acquisition, we now have the foremost experts on the product itself. These are people who've decided that the NASA mission was important to them. They believe not only in coding and product, but they believed in helping man and their mission in space. So these are guys that believe in customer service, they believe in mission. And so when we met with them last summer, it was pretty obvious early on that we were a very alike team.
Anso's been right in the middle of it from the beginning. So the Core Nova platform that is at the heart of the compute side of OpenStack they were part of the core team that built it. They're the experts at it. They continue to evolve it to this day. If you look at the top contributors of the OpenStack project to this day, a great number of them are from the Anso project. So they really have been at the heart and soul of the project. They're huge advocates for the project, and they have a great vision for the project.
When OpenStack launched in July, the momentum has been unbelievable. The number of companies that are interested, that have approached us, and the number of organizations that are joining and developers, it's really been an incredible ride in only a few months. And one of the things we hear most often from enterprises is that they really are looking for someone to help them stand up these clouds and really get going with OpenStack. And this is something that we're ready to do. We're going to launch this new services business, but really to give us the talent that we need and the expertise to really jumpstart that effort, we acquired Anso Labs, and we're really excited that that talented team is now an integral part of this new services business that we're launching. And having them on board is just going to be an incredible way to give us a kickstart.
I think the main benefit that we're adding to clients is improving the ease of use of deploying their own private clouds and allowing them to kind of move back and forth between Rackspace's public cloud and their own enterprise private cloud. So it gives them a lot of control over the infrastructure that they use and a lot of cost savings.
What we want to do is take some of the ideas behind Rackspace with the fanatical support and apply that to on-site and hosted clouds running on top of OpenStack. We really like working with clients and figuring out what the real problems are and then fixing those.
The Anso team is really a set of experts that know this code really, really well. They also are service-minded folks. They've been serving other businesses to help those businesses deploy clouds. They know how to create services to make that easier and to create that confidence. So we really get not only the expertise around OpenStack, but we also get expertise around how do you build a great service business that serves third-party enterprises to deploy private clouds.
This is not just about the technology, but it's about being there when a customer needs you, when they want to know, hey, how do I fix this problem, or can you help me apply this patch, or can you just be here for me to ask questions to? We know how to do this. We've done it in our sleep for the last 10 years. So bringing that to market on OpenStack is a natural thing.
Right now we're at a point where cloud is sort of, everybody uses the term and nobody really knows what it means or agrees on what it means. And I think over the next 5 or 10 years we're going to see everybody moving towards a consistent definition, and that involves having a consistent programming interface and a consistent ability for people to use all of the different clouds in existence. And I see that that's where Rackspace and OpenStack is going.